There's a quote by speaker and author Michael Altshuler that goes, "The bad news is time flies. The good news is you're the pilot." We all know that time is short. When every moment counts, intentionality matters. So, how can you make the most of your time? One part of your kids program that you might not have considered using before is snack time. Are you ready for some ideas? Let's dive in. Here are 3 things to do during snacks to help you be more intentional with your students. We'll start with what needs the least amount of prep and then go up from there. First, you can lead a discussion while the kids have their snack. While you may not need to prepare any materials, you do need to prepare yourself to lead discussion. Otherwise, the conversation can easily become unfruitful and go downhill. Try to keep things uplifting, encouraging, and God-honoring. Discourage any foolish talk, gossip, and crude joking. One uplifting topic they can discuss are things that they're grateful for. Once they name a few things, pray and thank God for them before eating. Another thing you can encourage them to discuss is a lesson. What part did they like most? Did they learn anything new? Do they have any questions or observations about what was taught? And how can they live out the lessons in day-to-day life? You could even challenge them to do something specific during the week and have them tell you about it when they come back next time. You can also invite your students to discuss their own lives in personal situations. That's one great way to get to know them better. As you listen to them, it helps to know that you care. Ask if they have any prayer requests and pray for them. This allows you to model prayer for them, and if they're willing, you can let them pray for each other too. We have a video about teaching kids about prayer if you want to learn more about this topic. The second thing you can do during snack time is review. If snack time is before large group lesson, you can review what they learned last week. This is also a good time to check on any assignments like take-home sheets, devotional books, or challenges. If they did it correctly, give them a prize and celebrate. If snack time is after large group time, you can review that day's songs, verses, and Bible lesson. It'll take a little prep, but a review game can be super fun while they have their snack. A quick and easy idea is a grab bag with questions inside. If you want to review the memory verse, try playing fill in the blank. And you can check out our review game video for more ideas. Reviewing gives you the opportunity to see how much your students are understanding and retaining. If they get an answer wrong, you can correct the mistake right then and there. That way, they won't be missing important information as the weeks go by. The third thing you can do during snack time is to do an activity. If there's something extra that you want to teach about the day's topic, this is a perfect opportunity. You have a captive audience. As they eat, you can tell a story, show some pictures, or demonstrate an object lesson. There are lots of options. If you're able to, you can even turn the snack into an object lesson by making it match the day's topic. For example, you could use goldfish crackers to go with the story of Jesus feeding the 5,000, or animal crackers to go with the story of Noah and the ark. Feel free to use your imagination. One thing you'll probably want to do is avoid any activity that is too lively, like playing tag, so food doesn't get everywhere. A more casual activity could be letting the kids do a coloring sheet as they eat. This offers a relaxed atmosphere where they can eat and color at their own pace. Sprinkle in a couple of discussion questions as well, and you're good to go. The main point of it all is to be intentional with your time. Don't let it slip away from you. As the Bible tells us, make the best use of the time because the days are evil. Thanks for watching.